Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for ways to simplify cooking and cleanup in your kitchen? I know that's something I'm always looking for. So let me introduce you to this Firgi Silicone cooking liner. You can pop this bad boy in your Instapot or your rice cooker or your microwave, and you can cook 3 individual things all at the same time. And best of all, when you're done, you'll have one dish to pop into the dishwasher and cleanup is done. How cool is that? I really tried to use it with a variety of things. So there is a learning curve because you're cooking 3 different things in your Instapot at the same time. They have these 2 little tabs here. So when it is done cooking in your Instapot, you can easily just grab these tabs and pull it out. I didn't even need hot pads to pull this out. Another thing they've done is add these ridges between each section, which is really nice because if you're like me, you are usually messy. And so those ridges were just big enough that when I poured something into one, if a little was going to spill over into the other one, this ridge would catch all of it so everything stays nice and separate. So if you're looking for a way to make cooking and cleanup much easier in your kitchen, I highly recommend trying out this Fergie silicone cooking liner. But that's just my point of view.